Good morning, viewers. Thank you very much. Welcome to Punchline Africa Television, broadcasting from the Political Command Center in Africa. Good morning. Thank you very much. I am Dr. David. Today's show is none other than a very great show for the people of Africa, a great show that touches something that is very, very important and that has actually been part and parcel of the politics of this country called Kenya for the last 10 years or so, or 12 years. It has not gone away. For us, some of us are countries across the continent of Africa, like my country where I come from, this has been there since 2005, when the first warrants of arrest were issued against the LRA commanders. The ICC did that in 2005, and we are the first country on the African continent to be issued with warrants of arrest. So for those who think maybe it started in your place or in Kenya, forget it. It started in Uganda. The first cases of International Criminal Court arrived from Uganda, and the 5 commanders, one has been captured, some died, others are on the run. Thank you very much. These cases also came to Kenya, but it is not Kenya on Africa that has suffered the wounds and the wounds of ICC. Several countries on the African continent, name them, from Libya, Sudan, Congo, Democratic Republic of Congo, South Africa was taken to the ICC because it did not comply with the arrest warrants that were issued. Uganda was taken to the ICC. Kenya was taken to the ICC. Ivory Coast was taken to the ICC. Central African Republic was taken to the ICC. Those are some of the countries that I know very well. We have Sierra Leone, went to the Sierra Leonean court for justice, which is tribunal, that was held also in The Hague. Yugoslavia, Liberia. Those are countries in Africa that have seen, and the only country in Africa that has so many cases, several cases, piled up, is none other than Democratic Republic of Congo. It has like about 6 cases, situations. In Burundi, it was also taken to the International Criminal Court, until Burundi is the only country on the African continent that has deserted, that has run away from the International Criminal Court. The rest of the African countries have been paying lip service, and they have not utilized Article 127 of the Rome Statute that talks about departure. If the marriage is not working, leave, run, and go away. Most of these countries still suffer difficulties, and the more countries are being taken to the court across the globe. You find countries like Russia now is under investigations. Other countries are also under investigations. But why is it that it is only Africa and on the African continent that most of the cases were concentrated here? It is sad that today, after a long 12 good years, Kenya has still remains in the International Criminal Court corridors. Kenya is still a country that is besieged. Day in, day out, this court comes back. There's still something attached to it. I have said myself, I've told my inner thoughts. Why do African countries want to stick to the International Criminal Court? Why should a normal country remain there when it has got its own courts that can try people of crimes that are triable in those countries? I have not found answers.